Hi there, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create amazing logos using Midjourney AI. So I've created these real estate logos and then I'm going to show you how to walk through this. Currently, Midjourney always get the typo, that's the text for your logo. You normally get them wrong, but we can easily edit and modify this using any photo editing software. So I'm going to walk you through how to create an amazing real estate logo like this using this amazing AI tool. You can easily sample any of the versions. We have currently 4 versions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can easily pick any of them and then use them for your project. So you can easily use this amazing AI to create amazing logo, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that in a bit. So we're going to create everything step by step with no step skip. So you can see I just pick one of these, that's the third one, the third interface, the UI, and then I can easily save this. To my desktop and then just modify the name. Okay, so let's jump into action and see how we can actually create this. And now you first need to sign up to this platform, and then you have to use any of the newbies, the newcomer rooms over here, and I'm using this at the moment. So I just want to create a logo, and then personally I want to create a real estate logo. So I just come to the prompt here and then go type \, and I'm going to use the imagine prompt. So just hit tab and it's going to give you this. We just have to type in some keywords for our logo. So let's say we want to create a logo for real estate. So I'll just say real estate company. So I want a logo for real estate company, and I want a white background. I want a background to be white. So those are the keywords I want to use for my logo. I also want it to have a nice style, so I'll say logo style, and I want it to be a flat. I don't want to look like a 3D, so I want it to be flat. And you can add more things, the colors. You can specify the colors you want to use. And then let's say we are using Midjourney version 4, so v version 4, and then we hit enter. So this is actually going to generate the logo for us. We just have to give ourselves some time. So this is what I've entered: real estate company, white background, logo style, flat. And then I'm just going to allow myself some time for this to be generated for me. So you can see waiting for start. So it's going to take some time to do this. So let's wait while this logo is being generated. I'm going to modify this in Photoshop. So my logo is being generated over here. It will go through some process to actually generate this logo for me, and then I'll get the amazing version. Currently around 93%. So you can see I have my beautiful logos being generated. So these are my logos. I have 4 logos at the moment. These amazing and very beautiful logos I've just generated using Midjourney. Now you may want to just use the name, modify the names, and then use the name of the real estate companies you want to use. So these are the various versions I have: 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can just pick any of them. So I can decide to say maybe I want to go with the second one. So I can just click on this, generate this. I think I like this. I like the first one as well, and then probably the third one. So I can just click on that just to get the single version of that. So I just have to click on that and give myself some time, and then I will actually generate those versions. And then we can go to Photoshop and then we can actually modify these names. See, at the moment I've been able to get one version of that. I think this is the third one. Let me just scroll down. Okay, so I've been able to generate the individual logo. So you can see this is one. I just want to save this to my computer. I'll save this, and I think I have the other version. So let's just focus on these 2 for now. So I'm just going to save this also to my computer. So I'll save this, and then you can use any photo editing application. Now let's say you want to edit this in Photoshop. I'm actually going to open this in Photoshop, and then let's change the name. So I'll just right click and then open this with Photoshop. So as you can see, I have this logo created by Midjourney, and then I've opened this in Photoshop. And what I have to do is just to edit the names for this logo. Okay, just to edit the name. So I can easily go to Photoshop, and then maybe You can even use your selection to select that portion. I can select something like this and just use the color picker. I'll just use my color picker here and then sample the background color for this logo, and then press Alt Delete to fill that part with that color to just get rid of that. Now I can just go ahead and then use the name for my logo. The name I prefer to call my real estate logo. So let's say I want to use my own name. So let's say undertook real estate. So I can just modify this name right here, undertook real estate. So I just want to put something down here. Okay, so I can just modify this. So you can see how amazing this is looking. So you can easily create logo using Midjourney AI and then modify this logo and then use them for your own work. You don't have to go through any stress. Even though Midjourney normally gets the text wrong, you can easily do this and then come to Photoshop and then just modify your name. And just modify the name in your project. So this is how to use it in any other Photoshop application. So this is how to actually use Midjourney to generate your own logo. So this is the other one. If you want to use this, you can equally do the same thing. Open this in Photoshop and then just change the name and use the name you prefer to use. You can easily modify the name as well and then have your own real estate logo. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification for more amazing videos. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.